Hey loves, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this segment I'm going to be showing you how to use the Go-To-Be spray glue so you can be able to lay your hair for a simple look. So let's get to it. Okay, first things first, let's start by combing our hair and removing any tangles that are there. Next, we are going to spray our hair. I'm using a spray bottle. I added some rose water inside, but you don't have to add that. It's just my personal preference. So when you spray water, it enables the glue to hold for quite some time. For maximum hold, please ensure that your hair is damp and wet enough. So now I'm going to go in with the spray. Make sure you spray from the roots, going inside, and massage it inside properly. After doing that, I will brush my hair so that the glue can be able to enter at the places where I wasn't able to spray inside. So because this is an everyday look, I'm not going to be spraying the glue inside, just only the outside part, and just spread the glue to wherever it can be able to reach. So by doing this hairstyle will stay intact for the rest of the day without budging. But if I want to go for like a look that will last for a week, that's when I will be able to spread the glue inside and out. So I prefer using a shoelace or a tie to be able to get this look together, because I believe that it leaves no bumps compared to when I use a hairband. So yeah, this is just a personal preference, but you can be able to use whatever you have. You can also use a bandana as well. It will still work. So I know most people wrap their hair with a certain cloth to be able to lay the gel, but when you're using the Got2Be glue, I would advise not to, because I tried it I think twice and it left white flakes on my hair, which I did not like. So if you don't want flakes on your hair, don't wrap it. So just look how beautifully it came out without even wrapping it. So yeah, this is my go-to look and I absolutely love it. Hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you and bye.